Greetings, Internet. I'm on deployment, somewhere in the Middle East, with a branch of the military that you may be able to figure out. I just got here, I just got my room set up, so I decided to give you a quick tour of what my room looks like. So here we have a wall locker with my stuff in it. We have my bed. We have a top bunk that isn't used. I got the room to myself. We have another wall locker with some more of my stuff in it. We have my British Cars calendar that I haven't put up yet. I need something to hang it up with and I haven't got it. Got my alarm clock hooked up to a power transformer because the power here is all 240 volt 50 hertz and, well, doesn't work too well with American appliances. Then we have a refrigerator that only has some water in it. A chair that I haven't used yet. The bag that my sheets came in that I'm using as a trash can. The TV that I haven't tried yet. And, well, the door. And that's about it. Well, signing off. I'll upload again later.